Hi everyone, happy Easter day. Well, it's the day before, but happy Easter day. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here today with my boyfriend that you've already seen in a few past videos. Today is a special video about Easter and chocolates. So I went to the city and filmed a little stuff about Easter in the city, so I'm gonna put that right now and then we're gonna taste some chocolates. So I was pretty disappointed to not see much decorations about Easter. I remember in the past few years it was a lot better, a lot more festive, a lot more eggs, a lot more decorations. But whatever, I didn't find any Easter related drinks either. I wanted to try that, but no. You want to say something?
Yes, hello everybody.
I decided to buy 3 kind of chocolates. You may recognize this bag. So these 2 ones are from 2 chocolateries. I think you say chocolaterie, I don't know. Well known in France, you know, high quality. And this one has something you're gonna be like, oh no, inside, but I really wanted to try that. If you've been on the channel, you know that I really love this brand. So let's dig in, let's go. Thank you, oh my god. Ouais, mais non, c'est nul, attends.
See,
No.
it is good, I think.
No, it's not good. You gotta have your hands free. What about just doing that?
No,
What about that? I think it's good, no?
I don't know. I think it's not better. The better thing is here.
So let's open the first one. I got from the chocolatier biscuitier Ranou Métivier. It's a chocolaterie that started in 1920. Pretty well known here in the city. I don't know if they have other stores in France. I'll check that out. And I took a very cute one. No, you know what? You're gonna open it. You're gonna open it. Go on. It already feels like summer. It's freaking hot outside. 25 degrees something. So I hope the chocolate didn't melt. Oh. That's cute, right? It's a baby T-Rex.
Is it T-Rex in English?
Yeah, I guess it is.
You can say dinosaur?
A dinosaurus, I think you say. I'm not sure.
Oh!
Got some stuff inside? Oh!
Yes. Fish, no?
Yeah, I think it's a fish. That's fine.
It's I do. Oh! Smarties!
So first, we got the T-Rex.
Next,
so that was the first one. I got it for something like 12 euros, which isn't that expensive for a real chocolaterie. It's really small. I mean, I think it's alright. Next one is from
Can you speak English?
L'Atelier du Chocolat, which is from Bayonne, started in 1951. It's something you can find all over France, I think. It's high quality shop too to find chocolate. And I took a very cute thing, but I'm kind of disappointed because it broke. So it should have been.
Hippopotamus.
Yeah, it should have been hippopotamus. That's how you say that.
Hippopotamus.
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 So yeah, I'm a little disappointed. That should have been the head. But yeah. So I choose. Both of them are dark chocolate because, well, chocolate is already not that good for your health, so I thought dark chocolate would be better.
Oh, you say dark chocolate and not black? Why?
That's a good question. I don't know. Maybe you say black chocolate, but I think you say dark chocolate. I don't know. Not sure about that either. They had a whole bunch of African-related chocolate and decorations, which I think was nice. Yeah, I'm disappointed with that. It's completely broken. Even the egg is broken. There's no surprise anymore. I should have been the egg. Can you see the hippopotamus? Yeah, it's melted actually. So yeah, that's the second one that I'm gonna put on here.
The price of this?
This one was 15 euros. But it's full of stuff. Yeah, I do think it's expensive too. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, but it's from, a high quality shop, so yeah, I kind of went crazy for this video.
Easter date is very
yeah, I think they kind of
good
probably,
for this company.
Yeah, for sure. I think they put the price higher for, the Easter weekend. But yeah, let's move on to the next, next shop I stopped to. Maybe you recognize this bag if you watched the videos that I did on this shop on my other channel. Well, probably a year or 2 years ago with you actually.
Okay.
Here it is, Reese's. I know what you're thinking. I actually wasn't expecting nor wasn't planning. It's amazing, right? Yeah. Wasn't planning on getting any Reese's or any American stuff. I was thinking about French stuff only. But when I saw that, I was like, I gotta taste it because, I really love Reese's. We have a big one and some little ones there. The woman was actually from UK. She was very nice. Very, very nice. If you're watching me, hi. Anything? So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna unbox this one and then we're gonna taste all of them and kind of rate them. Even the comparison between Reese's and the other ones isn't really possible.
Rice is there is too much sugar.
Well, yeah, for sure. That's the problem with Reese's. It's hella good, but way too much sugar for sure.
The pronunciation is Reese's or
I think it's Reese's, right, guys? Come tell us in the comments. Oh, it's very light.
This is for you. And this is for me.
Okay, no problem. It's not a problem for me.
It's a joke.
We got 3 peanut butter cream egg and a big peanut butter which is light, so I'm not really sure what it is inside. But we're gonna see. Time to dig in. Wow, it's really hot today. So it's actually full of stuff. It's nice.
Okay. I'm sorry. T-Rex.
Well, you must taste it.
Cheese.
Cheese?
No, chin. Not cheese. Cheese. Chin.
Chin. Wow. A lot more sugary than I thought it would be, as it's dark chocolate. What do you think?
Yes.
But good.
Fresh.
Mm-hmm.
How do you say acid in English? Acid is acid, no? Acid.
I'm just very sad that the head is broken, but yeah, so let's see what's inside actually. Ah, okay, that's nice. Yeah, so they got the same stuff. Well, yeah, full of chocolate and different stuff. Let's taste it.
Chin.
Yeah.
I prefer
Oh yeah.
this white chocolate between
The other
if
one?
I have to compare, the first is not good.
Okay, yeah.
I prefer
Well,
this.
I will say exactly the same thing for the dark blue one. It was a lot better. Let's see with that.
With the... How do you say core in English?
Body.
The body of hippopotamus, it is the same.
It's actually not that good. I have chocolates everywhere.
It's kind of my cacao powder,
Yeah, it's because it's really dark chocolate, maybe.
but you say it's not very good.
I mean, you know, I really love like cacao powder and all, and I'm eating 85% cacao chocolate all the time. But there is something that I don't like inside that. I don't know what it is.
For 15 euros, I do say it's a scam, no?
Yeah, well, you could say that. I mean, yeah, it's not worth it. That's what we'll say, I guess. Yeah. For sure, it's not worth it for the price. Let's move on to the Reese's. I'm excited about that. Oh, that's cool.
No,
Oh,
I can't. Okay,
thank you.
okay.
It's like caoutchouc. What is that?
How do you say I'm déçu in English?
Yeah, me too. I'm disappointed.
Disappointed, yes.
I mean, what the hell was Easter eggs this year?
Nothing.
I mean, yeah, there's nothing.
Where is my Reese's? No Reese's in this
Wow.
egg.
Yeah, well, to be honest, I'm pretty disappointing. I mean, you know, Reese's. So I think we shouldn't just, you know, describe it. Reese's. It's either you like it or not. For sure, it's processed and all. But those two, I mean, this one's good, but it's not as good as I thought it will be, especially for the price.
Do you want to test?
I spent too much money for this crap. I'm so disappointed.
Do you want to test this
Yeah.
Reese's? This
Yeah.
mini Reese's? I think this Reese's is full.
Yeah. Ooh. That's what I'm talking about.
Yes.
Peanut butter Reese's. Yeah. Well, it's good because there is a peanut butter. I'll just be honest.
Do you want to rate? No.
Let's do that. I'm not really sure we can rate the Reese's with those two as it's completely different. But I will do first, second, and third. What did you want to say?
Okay. I think this in first. Okay.
What about you?
Me, it depends for aesthetic or
Just the flavor.
the flavor.
Yeah.
This, the white chocolate,
Of this one, okay.
is better.
Yeah.
This first, second,
Mhm.
because I like,
Yeah.
and third.
Okay. So I guess we have different ranking positions because of our own personal tastes. We're not objective here for sure. I think it's the first time I'm buying Easter eggs actually, and I was really excited to buy them, especially for this video for you guys, you know, to share that. But yeah, when I saw the prices earlier, I was like, ooh, I wasn't expecting that, but then I was, well, you know, it's real chocolate, especially these two, so it's okay, I guess. But now that I tasted them, yeah, I think it wasn't worth it. Yeah. So what about you guys? You're gonna buy some Easter eggs for this year. Are you celebrating it? So yeah, if you bought if you bought, yeah.
For buy
Yeah,
and past,
a boat.
I learned
Oh, go on.
is bought.
Bought, yeah. If you bought some chocolate, are you not disappointed with them? Do you have any recommendations, even if it's not in France? I'd like to know, because in the end, guys, I don't even have any recommendations for you. Just make them, homemade. Just bake them yourself. I guess this is the best. Easier for. So I was saying easier for what's gonna be inside, easier for the price. You can see that I'm really disappointed, but you seem to be enjoying it, so that's great. Thank you for this video. Thank you for being my cameraman, my microphone holder, or whatever it is. Thank you for being here. I love you.
Me too.
Week-end de Pâques. Les Pâques.
In English?
No, in French. Les Pâques.
Pâques. Nous, on dit lundi de Pâques.
Lundi de Pâques. Dimanche de Pâques, lundi de Pâques. Well, thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next Wednesday for another video. Till soon, don't eat too much chocolate. Stay hydrated and stay safe. Bye!